Okay, let's do this shit.
I really have to take a giant piss though. Okay.
Ready?
So you sing the song first?
What the fuck? Why would you sing that song?
You don't have to, but you go, oh, wait. Okay, you sing the fucking song. Then you go down, clink, down.
Wait, I'm fucking loud. Everything everywhere, okay.
Okay.
Okay, down, click, on,
Okay,
down,
ready?
on.
And then you drink. Wait. Okay.
2, 3.
Down, fucking. No, we're down. We're clicking first. You fucking. And then you take it.
No.
And then you take it, and you have to make sure that it flips and lands on the top. Okay.
Okay. Oh fuck. Oh fuck is so
I have to
laughing.
take such a piss. Hurry the fuck up. I swear to God.
Find this on YouTube, eh? Here you go.
Down, you fucking. No, you cheater asshole. Down, up, down. It's not that hard, okay? It's pretty much like what you do in bed all night, alright?
You know what?
Fucking
You
go
know what?
there.
How the fuck you get into this conversation? Okay. Down, up, down.
Oh shit, fuck.
Oh, you fucking piece of shit.
Oh shit, there's. You.
Fuck and. You fucking. Oh, fuck. Wrong way.
No, you're right, the right way, but there's water kind of everywhere.
Oh!
Wait, the drink is everywhere.
It's fucking water, crackhead.
No, it's not. It's vodka, man.
True say, bud. That's why I fucking dumped it in the sink.
You dumped it in the sink. You're not fucking allowed to.
I fucking dumped it in the sink. Oh, you fucking asshole! I saw that.
Fine, ready?
Oh, wait, you fucking piece of shit. Oh, you know what? Don't make fun of my cup. You fucking. Okay, let's try this.
You fucking whore! It was there too!
So how? Oh!
Yeah, only you fucking
won.
took a drink.
Okay, fine, let's do it
Can't
again.
do
Let's
this
play again.
fucking
You know, let's fucking
wait.
play again. Yeah, you can. You're just fucking sped. See, look. Fuck you. Okay, maybe I'm kind of sped too, but still. Oh! Oh! You know what? It's okay, Cup. I'm fucking jealous. Okay, let's do that again.
Wait, I wanna see how. Oh, that would have been fucking sick if it like. Oh man.
Ow.
Just wait, man. If it lands, I'm gonna fucking shit my pants laughing. Go get it, you fucking whore. I swear I can do this.